What you doing? Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Good boy. Eating with your spoon, huh? Eating with your spoon? Ooh, you're a good boy. Good boy, Louie. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Uh-oh. It's all right. There you go.
If it's moderate to minimal, that would be great. Eric is my favorite.
Uh-oh. There you go.
He is very opinionated.
Hold it. You gotta hold it, Louie. Hold it. Can you hold it?
Sparkle. He does not like that, however, so I don't want him to try to.
Good boy. Louie, I can't hold it for you. Here you go.
Okay, I'm going.
You're done with it? It's all right.
Okay.
What you doing, pretty boy? Getting a drink?
It is the first time